Very fascinating Monday morning, September 30th. Monitor the S&P incredibly carefully because all the levels drawn since September 24th were pointing to reversal. I got this adorable reversal on 5-range chart. So far, not a biggie, just a point, but this danger zone is what's critical. Exactly the same concept as ES 1 hour, as ES monthly. That's where price is telling me trade is pretty tired, expect a pullback. Trend is pretty tired, expect a reversal. My 5-range is stalling. So what will happen? In order for this structure to have more meaning, price has to break through these levels. And ES is taking a durable pause. Just like ES, S&P 500 future taking a durable pause, reaching ultimate levels on monthly chart. So there we go. 5-range remains my favorite time frame on S&P 500 future because we are catching the very inception of the trends on this time frame. But the key remains, will price blast through these levels? It's massive, massive brick wall, my trade exhaustion level. Concept is identical. Doesn't matter if it's S&P 1 hour, monthly, weekly, stocks or options, formula remains the same. So let's monitor the price and let's trail very, very carefully. I don't want to adjust my trail too close, but I expect a push at any moment to the downside. Again, formula remains the same. It doesn't matter to me if it's S&P 500 5-range, if it's S&P 1 hour, or if it's S&P weekly, monthly, or whatever. Know where to expect your trade exhaustion. In order for my trade to migrate to a larger time frame, it has to blast through these levels. Stop outside of break even. So again, this is completely expected. That's precise why these Fibonacci levels I named danger zone levels, my trade exhaustion levels. Here's a massive pullback reminding you if you don't know where these danger zone levels are and you're entering into these levels, nothing good happens. So finally, after price giving me 2 points pullback, we're going into a larger time frame expansion. Price had blasted through the danger zone levels. So far we got the inception of the trend on 5-range chart for all the reasons that we know not to touch trend when price reaches danger zone levels. So let me expand my target. Adjusting my trail to 1672.75. But frankly, $16.75.50, the sellers will show up. Buckle up. What did we discuss? We discussed that we expected huge selling pressure at 1675.50. How predictable. All you need is pure price to know where to expect all of these reversals. So far this fun ride, 4.5 points later, as expected. Daba daba do. Sellers will be here and they will be vicious, so please don't ignore that. Whoa, 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 we're breaking through this level. My trail 1673.75. Adorable inception of the trend leading the way. Lovely. We went to a larger time frame expansion. Next target 1677.75. Again, I would have never traded 5 range on oil ever. But 5 range on S&P 500 is my favorite time frame by far. Again, you have potential to trade unlimited number of contracts. You start with 1, 2 today. You learn the method. You double your demo account. You consistently add 1 lot per month. Yes, like my hero Tim. Magnificent work. Sir, the work you put into the course, you're one out of few hundred that I witnessed. Seriously, to do what you do, you will do unbelievably well. To do the backtesting after overnight shifts and to send me so much? Guys, you should see how many backtests have you done, Tim? 700? 500. Amazing. You're building your confidence. You're studying. You're taking this seriously. Just add patience and discipline and the skies are the limit. Without patience and discipline, nothing is possible. Finally, decision point 2 is here. So here we are, adorable. 7.5 points later. Catching the trend at very inception. Adjusting my trail to 1675. Adorable stepping stone. Second level is reached as spelled out. What else are you witnessing? Correlation. Very close to decision point 2 to the upside. Prices dancing between the levels. Pullback is inevitable. I don't want to adjust my stop well too close, but that's 7.75 points later. Incredibly critical, incredibly powerful, completely expected. So this was adorable ride we caught on S&P. My trail is incredibly close. This pullback is inevitable, is spelled out. My trail is 1675.75. I expect to be out at any moment. 7.75 points later. Know where the danger zone is? Enjoy the ride, but expect reversal. Simple and pure. So there we go. As expected, we are out. So when you know the levels, you know where to take profits off the table. This was an adorable fun ride on S&P 500 because danger zone had been reached. That's simple and that pure. And when I see very clear correlation between the levels, I expect to close my trail. So there we go. 7.75 points on S&P 500. Everybody trades different lot size. Very critical. 2 take profits off the table when these levels are reached. All it is, pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits.